come from Lebanon. I studied in Marymount California University, and I'm a banker. I work at a local bank in Lebanon, and my position is the department head for policies and procedures and quality assurance. Unicaf has provided me with a great opportunity to obtain an MBA degree from a very remarkable university in the United States and at a very affordable price. This is what made me register with Unicaf and complete my studies. I work a full-time job and I'm a mother of two, and provided this information, it's hard for me to go and watch classes and contribute or pay a lot for my MBA studies. So my only opportunity was with Unicaf to complete my studies. The best thing about online study is the flexibility. As I mentioned, a mother of two, and I have family constraints and a full-time job. It's hard for me to study if I didn't have this flexibility. So I'm able to complete my assignments at my convenience and at my own pace. This is a very additional positive thing that Unicaf has provided me. Without this online platform, I wouldn't have been able to complete this MBA. Look forward, because this will help me advance in my career, and I'm very grateful for Unicaf. And as a last message, I'd like to say, hurry up, time is flying, and I do encourage all students to register with Unicaf and get this reputable degree from Unicaf partnership universities.